Hi, I will now show you how a cloud offering works on the loyalty application. Since the application is on cloud, seller as well as the buyers can access it through the internet. If seller has multiple locations, definitely it will have multiple POS, and hence each of the sellers can use this application at the same time as well as the buyers can use it. Now for this application it has a login page. What you are currently seeing is a login done by a buyer. So this buyer has opened up the Internet Explorer. He has given his ID password and he logs in. When he logs in, he will see proper user interface to access various options like initials, etc. Now here one very good feature which we have given is uploading the photographs. These photographs belong to the people whom I have authorized to use my card. This has a special consequence which will be covered going ahead. So here, besides this photograph, the user interface has lot of other features like reporting. So I can see when I did purchase, what was the transaction, how many points got deducted, etc. So in front of your screen, you are able to see the 4 transactions for this user. Now I will take you to the seller login. Notice that this is a new session in Google Chrome where I am logging in as a seller. On the seller's machine, our smart card software needs to be there in order to access the smart card data. I will now log in and will show you how this application reads and writes on the user account for the loyalty points. So seller will see a tab called transactions. Therein he gets one option for register point purchase using smart card. So here beneath his screen he sees all the recent transactions. These transactions are across your company. That means across multiple POS. Now the user at the time of paying his bill will flash the card. As soon as he flashes the card, his details comes up on the screen. So please notice that this is the screen of a cashier. And now cashier will validate which of this person came for the purchase. He writes his notes. Now here when card is flashed, it shows that buyer has 4001 points, out of which 550 points are being claimed. When the transaction gets completed, an acknowledgement message comes up, a receipt gets printed with all the relevant details, and if cashier clicks on print, it will directly go to the printing from here itself. This also shows the seller name and the person who came for the purchase. Now if I want, I can also reprint the receipts directly by clicking on the receipt column within the report. Now another person comes, another card gets flashed and its details are coming on the screen. As you can see, this user doesn't have any balance, so we can't perform this transaction. Say again the previous customer revisits, you will notice that his points got deducted by 550 points. So this is how the application works. It reads from the smart card. When we go back to the user's account, user now sees 5 transactions which were earlier 4. So this is to demonstrate the data transfer over the cloud between the seller's POS as well as within the buyers. Now I will show you how this application really works with the smart card on your screen. So to demonstrate that, I have recorded a session where I will flash the card on the reader. As you can see, I am flashing the card on the reader and the details are coming on the web page. So earlier what I showed you was my screen, and now I am recording it with the camera to demonstrate you how easily and quickly it works over the cloud. I am flashing the card, the details comes on the screen, entire transaction gets completed, the screen comes up on my screen, and when the new customer comes, he again flashes the card and those details comes up on my screen. This card belongs to that customer who doesn't have any balance. The new card, this card belongs to the person who has the balance and whom we have transacted earlier. Our Miracle Loyalty application will not only help you in easily starting loyalty program of your own brand, but also allows you to be carried and get connected with your customers in a hassle-free transition. We have easy to use desktop as well as cloud offering for our loyalty application. We thank you for your time and interest in our product. To know more, you can reach to our partners in your area or visit our website www.miracleatwork.com or email us on info@miracleatwork.com. You can also visit the product website www.pqr.in. Wish you all the best and a great success in scaling your business. Thank you and have a nice time.